If this question appears in your JAMB WAEC or GCE, how will we tackle it? It says, what change in velocity, remember, change in velocity, would be produced on a body of mass 4 kg if a constant force of 16 Newton acts on it for 2 seconds? What change in velocity? What do you mean by change in velocity? Change in velocity just like change in temperature. If the morning temperature was 10 degrees Celsius and in the afternoon it becomes 15 degrees Celsius, now by using the theta 2 and minus from the theta 1, you get your what? Change in temperature or increase in temperature. That is 15 minus 10. You're going to give us what? 5 degrees Celsius. Now 5 degrees Celsius is that small temperature that makes the initial temperature, which was 10, to become 15. So 5 degrees Celsius is the increase in temperature. Another way, you can call it delta theta. All right. So now, in change in velocity, we'll call it what? Delta V. Did you get? Now, what is the arrangement with the formula we have in this question? We have parameters, I mean to say, we have mass as what? 4 kg. We have the time as what? 2 seconds. And what again do we have? We have the force as 16 Newton. Now, this reminds us of what? Momentum and impulse. It says that impulse P is equals to Ft. Also, impulse is equals to change in momentum, and change in momentum is given by mv minus mu. However, since mu is common, now we factorize that m, we have m bracket v minus what? U. Also, remember that v minus u is what? Change in velocity. So we can replace it with what? M delta what? V. Now coming here, it is now equals to what? M delta V. Because impulse is equals to what? Change in momentum, which this is a reduction of this in what? Change in what? Momentum. Now, what are the formula we are to use now? Since impulse is this and equals to this, we have to bring down that Ft is equals to M delta what? V. Now, delta V is the change in velocity we are asked to find. So make delta V sort of formula, you divide by M, you divide by M. This cancel this. Now, delta V is now equals to Ft over what? M. And that is what? Ft over M. Now, what is going to be the F? The F is what? The F is 16 multiplied by what is the time? The time is 2 all over what again? Divide by the mass, which is what? 4. All right. Now, what's going to happen is that 4 will divide 4 here, and 4 divide 4 here is going to give us what? It's going to give us 4. 4 times 2, that's going to give us 8. And that 8 is what? Is in meter per what? Second, because it's what? Velocity. And where is 8? 8 is option C. Hope you learned something. Join my WhatsApp online class on 081 539 57022. The price as cheap as 2,500 naira. Now, all you need to do is to comment question on the comment section so that I can give you your own question to try under this topic, momentum. And let me see if you have really understood what is going on here. If you have question, let me know in the comment section. Or you have suggestion, let me know in the comment section. See you on my next video. Don't forget to follow for more.